Probably makes me hungry out there. I've never seen small boys, isn't it?
Mum, sniffing us. Daddy's sniffing us.
Looks like it, doesn't it?
Mum, it looks like that one in the corner is sniffing us.
Aren't they beautiful?
Yeah, they've got things that get off.
You can get out there. Oh, this one I guess came up.
Look, enter.
Salad bar. Should I swim all over? Enter, that's where they enter.
Look, there's another one. Yeah, there's another one.
Where?
Over there. Mum, we got the
yeah, you can hardly
entrance
see
over
it.
here. And look, there's one over there. Near the entrance. What happened?
Run out of film?
Dad, look under there. Zekin.
You see the one that's out there?
Yeah, I can see the one that's Zekin down there. It's holding it.
It is.
How do they hold it?
Over there, because their noses move so much, don't they?
See how big their tails are, Beck?
They're very big. Look, I'm starting to move.
Yep, that one's off. Just that slight movement of his tail flying.
That one's big.
Certainly is.
Oh,
They're huge, aren't they?
This one. Oh, yeah. Oh, the touch one.
Wouldn't that be lovely?
Big fat things.
Never thought. That one is huge.
He's got some food on his back. How is he going to get it on what his back?
So this is the salad bar.
Does it finish when all the food is gone?
There's a fish.
That one isn't hungry.
Wait a minute,
He's
John.
eating.
Right there.
He's eating a piece of salad. He's coming over.
You filming this?
Hello, come here.
They're very dirty. Mum.
Can't see him?
They're very dirty.
Okay, now stop, stay still. I'm sorry.
Hey, Kelly.
So this work like this?
Look, watch.
Kelly?
He's going back in now. Just went out. You look blue. Everyone in here looks blue. You do too. What are you doing, Dad?
Videoing.
What are you doing with this?
There's lots of them.
I'm going up. That's a strange fish. Listen.
Now what's going on here? Drink your lines down. Yes, I'm the fish.
How do they climb?
Climb up with a bit of rope, it'll be 2 feet, with a scrappy up.
Right, that's easier.
She's got me.
I already had
fish,
it, Dad.
They're all fishing out there, so they come in here.
Oh no, look. It's stuck behind the middle bars, Mum.
Is it still on?
No.
No. Are you sure?
No, it's still on, it's recording. Mum, I've got a ring.
Oh, he's with the flashes.
Mummy, look, it's got a gate. The man can get into.
Hey, Tom. Hi there. Have a nice day now. Oh, thank you. Have a nice day now. So the eaglets on the tree?
Yeah.
The birds on the tree? There's a few over here as well.
Mum, is that the kind of tree in the sky that was afraid of water? I don't know who that is. Yeah.
No, but how did I make the scratch in the first place? Oh yeah, I remember.
Dad, that man is standing in the water over there. Mum, there's a man standing in the water over there.
There is, yeah. It's not very deep in the middle there, is it?
Daddy, squirrel by your foot.
Squirrel by your foot? He was looking up at you, filming.
Pose nicely, please, now, squirrel. Wake up, Mr. Hippie. Well, you might come face to face with one of these.
Mm-hmm. Would you like that then?
I don't know. Never tried it yet.
What, coming face to face with one of these?
No.
Well, they're okay if they're like this.
Let's go to the office because they're much more interesting than these non-moving.
Rebecca!
It's an alligator.
Oh, look.
Alligators.
Do you move, alligator?
Yeah.
Oh, they move all right. When they decide to.
That
Yeah.
got
Boy.
his tail in the water.
Slow motion. Look at that.
What one?
He's gradually bringing his toes down to the ground.
Oh, no.
What has a little foot over there?
There was one over there.
What?
It would be cruelty to animals.
Yeah, Mummy, look, one got its foot.
Look. Its foot.
Oh, he has, yeah.
And its tail.
He's lost a bit of his tail as well.
It's like a little helicopter.
That one.
Hello, Mr. Gator.
Don't swing on me, darling, it's dangerous.
Hello. Can I take it? Then I can pester you. Mummy, the weird creature's moved. Mummy. The weird bird's moved. Welcome to today's Daily News. Do you know how flamingos get their color? They eat pink shrimps.
Have you ever heard of the fox squirrel?
Move her back in.
Fox squirrel there.
Mine's better show than yours. Look, that bird's called Kim.
It's got a little tunnel to go. Good girl. Welcome to the Black Squirrel Show. Right now, Black Squirrel, I can't see him. I wonder where he is. Hey. Bobcats. Why are they called bobcats?
Story.
Because they got short tails?
Very good. End up with bobtail.
Look at it, filming that one lying down. Mum,
He just purred. I heard him purr.
make a very weird noise, don't you? Yeah. Look at that one now. Mummy.
Look at his tail. Look at that big one.
Looking at Grandma going, let me start your play. Mummy, look, it's coming close.
Mum, that one kept on staring at me.
Oh!
Peppers, isn't it?
So where's the bar now?
No, I think it's actually a flower.
Mummy, look at that. Look at that bird. Mum, bird.
Oh yeah.
Down there. Fluffy bird. There's a fluffy thingy owl bird down there. Owl. Oh yeah, ow.
In a minute. I want a squirrel for a pet. Look at all that red ant nest. Dad?
Where?
That's your fire ant.
Where?
Oh, there. All that sand, fire ant there. Mummy, look, they're eating. Mummy, look, more.
Okay.
Mum. Just look at them a sec. They're eating from the bowl.
Yeah.
Moving on now. Come on. Look, it's scratching its beak.
They're called bowl.
There's 3 owls, Rebecca. Look.
I know.
2 there, 1 there.
Nathan, look.
They're called bald eagles.
I know. Mum, I think I know where.
Vicky, try again.
Wait.
No? Stay there then. Sorry, cool.
There you are, Vicky, look. See what's there? A bald eagle, it's got no hair on.
It has red.
Nathan.
So we do again.
Nathan, if you look off.
You're looking at the, I'm having a bath, little baby.
Yeah.
Mummy, look at that.
I'm having a bath, little baby.
What? What are you looking at, Mum?
The bird that's walking through the water.
He's a bit strange. I've seen them kind of animals before.
Got lovely spiky feathers.
I know. They walk like... Mum, they walk like this.
Yeah.
Spider.
I think you can see it on there.
They've got 7 legs.
You see it?
They've got 7 legs.
Hey.
Where's that?
6.
So I
Size of his web.
Oh yeah.
Something wrapped up there as well.
That's horrible.
When's having that in the back? Gobble, 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 gobble.
They're walking.
Gobble, 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 gobble.
Just they can't be very strong because that'll get in their way. They can be.
Wonder what size bird that would give you.
Mum,
24 pounds
Mum,
of
there's
that.
two
Yeah.
more birds laying down.
Hmm?
There's two more birds laying down.
Oh, yeah,
Mum, look, that one over there's got all its wings down.
yeah, it has.
Is that a girl or a boy? Who says they're a girl or a boy? Mum. Mum.
Becky, the ones under